In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within a Udemy course on desktop. If you've ever wished you could type a word and instantly jump to the exact lecture that mentions it, here's the honest truth. Udemy currently doesn't offer a built-in search that scans a course's lectures or text while you're in the course player on desktop. There isn't an official search inside this course tool, but there are effective ways to find what you need quickly using the features that do exist. Let's walk through them so you can get to the right content without wasting time. Start by using the course curriculum as your map. Open the course player and expand the curriculum on the side of the screen. If sections are collapsed, click to reveal all the lectures under each topic. Now scan the section and lecture titles like a table of contents. Instructors often name lectures clearly to reflect their content, so think about the keywords you're looking for and match them to the closest lecture title. When something looks promising, click the lecture title to jump straight to it. This is the closest built-in method to searching inside a course, and with a quick visual scan, you can usually zero in on the right area faster than scrubbing blindly through the video. Next, take advantage of notes as your personal reference points. If you've watched parts of the course before, your time-stamped notes become powerful shortcuts. Each note saves the exact moment in the video, so you can return to it instantly. Open the Notes tab, skim your entries, and click the one that matches the concept you need. If you haven't been using Notes yet, start now. Jot a brief label with a clear keyword whenever you hit a key idea. Over time, your note list becomes a customized index tailored to how you learn. Finally, use the Q&A search. Below the player, open the Q&A section and use the search box to type a term related to your question. Udemy will show previously asked questions and instructor or student answers that include that term. This isn't a searchable transcript, but it's incredibly helpful when you're stuck on a concept. If you don't find what you need, you can post your own question. Add a short, specific description so others can help quickly, and mention the lecture title if you know it. While there's no one-click search inside a course yet, combining the curriculum scan, smart note-taking, and the Q&A search will help you locate the right content faster and with less frustration.